and welcome to Bogbrook Auto. Today we're looking at a 2010 Camaro. She got hit in the front. This unit does have like 185,000 on it. Perfect for us. We rebuild engines. We have a company that does transmissions, so perfect donor. We fired it up bypassing the VATs, and the L99 engine is quiet, even has great oil pressure, but still we'll rebuild it and go from there. We will also get rid of the DOD, active fuel management, or death on demand as we call it. We've got Dale in here. He's the one who bypassed the VATs. Okay, what are we looking at?
That's
so right
coolant.
there, coolant temp is, it's blinded right there. We're up to 158. We're going to be quick today because there probably isn't much antifreeze in this. And then the other amazing thing with this kind of mileage is 47, 46. That's with the oil pressure. That's for a Gen 4, that's actually almost unheard of. But it definitely is a grungy engine, so it hasn't been rebuilt. Somebody must have done regular oil changes. The other thing is somebody has put a muffler delete on this. Go ahead and give it a little porky. Oh yeah, sounds good. So this is what we're starting with for a rebuilt engine. We can go from there, but we just wanted to show you we don't like to rebuild blowed up engines. We like to build or rebuild high mileage engines, and this one's a perfect L99. We're going to make it an LS3, meaning no VVT, no DOD. But here we go, having some fun.